Hello Patriots, today we are going to divide with remainders. So at the top of your two column notes, if you would please write dividing with remainders. We'll start our lesson with our I can statement. And we are going to be able to say I can divide to find a quotient with remainders. Push pause to write your note. Okay, we still need to remember that quotient is the answer to a division problem. And we need to find out what happens when two numbers do not divide equally. Well, what happens is you have something called a remainder. And that is, a remainder is a vocabulary word. A remainder is a number that is left over. Push pause. Let's try an example. Ben has 14 trophies on 4 shelves. He wants an equal number on each shelf. How many will be left over? Or how many will be the remainder? If we draw this out at 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves, Ben has a total of 14 trophies. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And if I place 13, 14, that means I have 2 shelves that don't have any trophies, and therefore there would not be an equal number on each shelf. So what I would have to do is put my 2 to the side, and I see that it has a remainder, or there are 2 left over. I can also show this through division by dividing in the house. Remember that the dividend is under the house, so we have 14. We have a divisor of 4, and you need to think to yourself, 4 times what number equals 14? Well, we know that 4 times 3 is 12. That's not enough. But 4 times 4 is 16, and that is too much. So we have to write 4 times 3 equals 12. Subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0, so we do not need to place a 0. Our answer is 3 with a remainder of 2. This is our remainder, and the remainder must be smaller than the divisor. Must be smaller. If it is not, your division is wrong and you probably need to check it. Push pause to write your notes. Okay, let's try another example. If I have 20 counters in 3 rows, how many will be in each row? So if I draw my diagram, I have 1, 2, 3 rows, and I have a total of 20 counters, so I need to make sure I count up to 20. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. If I count 2 more, 19, 20, that means that my bottom row would not have a counter. So, therefore, I would have a remainder of 2. I would also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each row with a remainder of 2. Let's write it with our dividend in the house. 20 is in the house, my dividend. I have my divisor of 3. I think 3 times what number equals 20? Well, I know that 3 times 6 equals 18. That's not quite 20. But 3 times 7 is 21, and 21 is too much. So I need to multiply 3 times 6, and I get 18. And then I subtract. I cannot subtract 0 minus 8, so I must regroup. 10 minus 8 equals 2. 1 minus 1 equals 0, so I have 8. I have 6 with a remainder of 2. I checked my remainder. My remainder is smaller than my divisor, which it has to be, so my answer is correct. 20 divided by 3 equals 6 with a remainder of 2. Push pause. Let's try another example. We have 29 pens in 6 groups. So we need to know how many pens in each group. Let's do this in the house. So we have 29, our dividend. Our divisor is 6. We need to think 6 times what number is 29 or close to 29? 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 5 is 30. So 5 would be too much. Here we would have to do 6, and I put the times sign there to help us remember. 6 times 4 equals 24. I need to subtract those two numbers. 9 minus 4 equals 5. 2 minus 2 equals 0. I do not need to write my 0. So my answer is 4 with a remainder of 5. This number right here tells us that I would have 4 pens in each group, and I would have 5 pens left over that would not go into a group equally. I check that my remainder 5 is less than my divisor 6, and I know that I'm good to go. Push pause. Let's try another example. If I have 30 marbles in 4 bags, how many marbles in each bag? I'm going to put 30 in my house. That's my dividend. My divisor is 4. 4 times 8 is 32. That is too much. So 4 times 7 is 28. I can subtract. 0 minus 8, I cannot do without a negative number, so I need to regroup. 10 minus 8 equals 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. So my answer is 7 with a remainder of 2. That means there would be 7 marbles in each bag. And I would have a remainder of 2 that would not fit. I see that my 2 in my remainder is smaller than my divisor 4. So I'm pretty sure that my division will work. Push pause. Let's go over one more example that I want to show you. If I have 24 in the house and I divide it, my divisor is 4. I know that 4 times 6 equals 24. And I do not have any remainders. Therefore, 24 divided by 6. Nope, that's not what I want to do. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. If I do 24 in the house divided by 4, boy, let's try again. If I have 25 in the house and I divide it by 4, I know that 4 times 6 equals 24, and I have a remainder then of 1. 25 divided by 4 equals 6 with a remainder of 1. Let's divide 26 by 4. And I know that 4 times 6 equals 24. I have a remainder of 2. So I have 26 divided by 4 equals 6 with a remainder of 2. If I have 27 divided by 4, that is 6 with a remainder of 3. And then if I have 4 divided by 28, 4 times 7 equals 28. I have a remainder of 0, so we don't need to write anything there. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. Let's look at the pattern. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. 25 is 1 more than 24, so 25 divided by 4 equals 6 with a remainder of 1. 26 divided by 4, 26 is 2 more than 24, so 26 divided by 4 is 6 with a remainder of 2. We have 27 divided by 4. 27 is 3 more than 24, so 27 divided by 4 is 6 with a remainder of 3. We know that the remainder must be smaller than the divisor. The next problem would be 28 divided by 4. That equals 7. 28 is 4 more than 24. Since that divisor is 4, we know that this will divide equally. And so now we have 28 divided by 4 equals 7. That's the end of your notes for today. We will practice in the morning. Have a good night, Patriots.